Just a regular vase. Wait, this is it.
Just a regular vase.
This is it. This is like, okay.
So many cute things here at Michael's. I am loving that my sister knows exactly what she's doing because she calls me. She's like, so what are we doing? I'm like, I don't know. But luckily she knows where all the painting stuff is. It's literally perfectly so cute. I'm so excited to show you guys which one we decide to get. We figured out what type of paint we are gonna paint or drip pour our ceramic vases on. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Delyzaa. For today's video, we've got my beautiful sister here, and we are gonna be doing some paint pour. Now, if it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Delyzaa, and I am a licensed nail technician. Here on the channel, we normally talk about nail art, nail designs, as well as nail tutorials, but I thought it would be so much fun to do a little paint pour.
Nice. Nailed it.
If you...
I thought you were done. Cut that. Then we'll come back, right? It's not bad? Okay.
Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, maybe share this video to somebody who might like a little paint.
All right, you guys. Today we're going to do paint pour, right? So we have our ceramic vase. Show them the vase. And down below, we have all types of different colors of paint pour, okay? So you have to get a certain type of paint so it makes it easier, you know, to dip in, you know, mix around, get around on the vase. We got some pinks, some greens, some blues, some metallics. So we're going to paint, or... cut that. We're gonna pour some of these paints in layers, so maybe pink, white, gold, dump it all in the cup, and then we're going to dump it on our ceramic vase. Let's go.
Some of the other items that we have here are going to be some plastic cups. Obviously, I just did my nails, so we got to protect them with some gloves. And then, of course, a little high noon. Cheers to sis. Thanks for being here. All right, so let's go over some of the colors that I'm going to be using for my paint pour. We've got some really bright hot pink, super fun. We've got a metallic pink. My sister picked this one out. And then we've also going to do just a little hint, just a little spice of gold, and then a nice base for a white. So I'm really excited to see what this turns out. Obviously, you guys know my nail room has a ton of pink stuff, so I thought the vase would be perfect.
And we're going on the opposite scale, and we're going to do a little vibrant blue and a little metallic blue. Let's get into it, y'all.
Blue on blue. Oh, it'll match your bear.
Yeah, and
that's cute.
obviously some gold and some white. Come on, lock in.
Lock in. I'm so excited.
Things first, so you're going to grab your object that you want to paint pour on, okay? And then you want to flip it upside down. You're probably wondering why. So everything drips down. There's no air bubbles. We don't want any air bubbles. We want a seamless stream of paint. And then you grab your cup, pick your little colors like we just said, and pour in the order that you would like to do. So let's say you want more blue. You would want blue towards the end. So you want to put more white, gold, and then blue, so the blue's on top. Or reverse, you know, kind of layer it out.
Yes.
So now we're just going to put it in the paint, and we're just going to put it in the cup, and then we're just going to dump that in. Come on. You guys, safety first. Put your gloves on.
Put your gloves on.
Okay. I've only done this once before. And it turned out amazing. I feel like there's no wrong way to do this. Like, you just pour it down. It's like abstract painting, right?
Yes.
Splatter paint. It's all the same. The more mistakes, the better. Except for no air pockets.
Definitely no air pockets. Okay, here we go.
I'm scared. I always get, like, nervous before I do it, though. Like, I miss.
Okay. We got our cup.
Okay,
so you literally just explained it.
So I mean, I said white, gold, pink, this, and then layered it, and then do it again.
White, gold, pink, do it again.
Do it again. Hopefully that makes it look nice.
We've got our fluid art ready to pour. Sponsor the channel.
The more fluid, the
Deco art. Shout out to Deco art. Ooh, for a fun paint pour. Okay.
Honestly, take the cap off.
Is it gonna take too long?
Actually, no, that's actually kind of nice.
White. White, gold, pink.
Yeah.
Do a little bit of gold, so it's like a little shimmerance. Just a little bit of gold right on top. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, then I'm gonna do.
You might have to their cap off of this.
Oh, okay. I'll do a little bit of the metallic next to the gold because I feel like that makes sense.
That makes lots of sense.
Right? And then we'll do some paint, and then we'll
Get rid of
keep
that
the
gold,
process.
Make it equal parts.
Okay.
Jogging and gold. Okay, that was a lot of gold.
Nice. We got our hot pink.
Dang, what if we get a little weird? We got a little lime green. We take that.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's like a little separate color.
Green. Shout out Young Thug. Whoa. Well, shout out. Yeah. It's a little hint.
Nice. Okay. So I want mine to be majority pink.
Good idea.
So I am gonna go back in and we're gonna do some more. We're gonna just follow the same process, which is white, gold, metallic pink, hot pink.
I'm just doing everything. This is where the artist in me comes in. There's also this thing called too much gene. Every artist has it where you do too much. You gotta stop yourself. I think this is the moment where I stop myself.
Okay, we're already there. Okay.
Now, if you don't like the way it turns out, you can add extra colors or whatever, but be careful because it could just wash out everything you just did.
Now I'm scared.
I know. But this is why it's scary, but we got this. Woo. All right, so this is my blue paint pour. It's giving 90s. It's giving something. And then we got Miss Pinkity Dinkity. Come on, Pinkity Drinkity.
4 hour pour. Here we go.
I'm scared. Okay, just pour it all in.
Okay, just pour it all.
You guys ready?
All right, here we go. Do we need to do like okay? Oh yeah, I can see
Gosh.
what you mean by if you use.
Go up and down. Yes, Mimi, look.
Oh yeah, yours looks so good. Oh my gosh, yes. Should we just pour all of it?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to get this side.
Yes. Wait, yours looks amazing.
Yours looks so good. Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
It looks so good. It looks like an actual drink. Wait, that was perfect. We actually nailed it.
Did I get all the sides? Oh my god!
We nailed it.
So good, man. That is so.
It looks so good.
Yeah,
Okay, the white. You see what I mean by the white? How it kind of can overpower. After the pour, everything looks perfect. Like, look at that. Beautiful. Let it sit still. This is where the too much gene. You might be thinking, I don't have enough gold. I don't have enough pink. No! You don't need gold. You don't need any more pink. Be good.
I just wanted to pick it up. Like, why would I pick it up?
Don't pick it up. We're going to just sit here, drink a little bit.
You guys, this is like freaking awesome. Like, almost
Could
kind of
have
like.
done better. I got too gently. Also, our pumpkins came out really good. I still have it in the balcony.
I just had Kyle get rid of it because I'm like, it is so. All right. Since that went so successfully, literally, they're absolutely perfect. I cannot wait for them to dry out so you guys can see them. But you guys know I love surprises, especially when my sister's here visiting the channel.
I love surprises.
So I'm going to go grab our little surprise and let's see what she thinks.
What is it? Do y'all know? Because he told y'all already. Close your eyes. Okay.
If you guys have not already seen this online, this has been going insanely viral, and I saw them at the store.
Right.
So I thought that I would get me and my sister one to try. Okay, put your hands out, keep your eyes closed.
I'm going to guess.
Okay.
A little sus, but I don't even know. Oh my gosh! Where'd you get this? Wait, what? No way! No, mango. Wait, so isn't this ice cream?
Yeah.
Wait, what? You guys? This is viral. I heard viral. I was like, I already know I'm gonna like it. Wait, what?
All right, you guys. So let's see. We have Full of Happiness, which I think she was when she first
Good one.
seen it.
Killed that.
Bars. Mango. Full of Happiness.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, you guys. So exciting. Oh, look at that. Isn't it this cute little case?
Oh, look. The bottom, there's like a little,
Oh, there's like a little stick. Show them, show them, show them.
little stick at the bottom. You can hold it for a moment. I don't open things well, so I'm gonna wait to see how she does it first. It reminds me of like Beauty and the Beast, like the rose.
Oh, yes. All right, I'm just going to hold this stick at the bottom and then... Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute. What the heck?
Do we eat it on this thing?
Yeah, yes. Look, you guys, it looks like an actual mango.
Like, you gotta try it and then take it. Think. Alright, go.
It's soft.
Bitch. It tastes like mango for real. Wait, this is actually, you guys need to go buy this.
I bought this at MD Oriental. They literally had a fresh batch and she was like stuck in the freezer. And I was like freaking being all weird. And I was like, baby, I was like, I have to get when Nini's coming over to do a video. This is it's perfect. It's literally perfect.
I'm like actually in awe. When you bite it, it's like soft. It's like,
Okay.
this is fucked up. I just got spitty, but this is actually so good.
It
Do you
tastes
curse
like
on your channel?
what?
You curse? This is messed up.
Sometimes.
Man, this actually this is dangerous. It's like it's like Bulldog, and this is a good day.
$3.99 a piece.
What?
Literally, you guys, and like the
Actually,
airbrush.
it's worth it. It's worth
The
it.
airbrush is so nice. I didn't even care how much it was. I was like, I literally need to get one for the channel. It's literally so cute.
I can't describe the. It's perfect. It's not cold and it's like hard, but like this is literally the coating of the mango. Like they hit it on the head. Like what the fuck?
There's hints of vanilla. Definitely mango, Full of Happiness. What else? Mango. I think I have vanilla. I think that's it.
Mango and vanilla. It tastes like a lot like mango though. Like the outer is mango, inside vanilla. For sure.
It's perfect.
But the way that like it feels to eat it, it actually is sweet.
It's like mochi, almost, but not chewy.
Yeah, it's not chewy like.
But the ice cream on the inside of the mochi, so smooth, so soft.
The holy freaking grail.
When we dink it, I thought it was gonna be hard when we.
Oh, like to shatter or no?
like
Dink, like a jaw burger. Perfect pour. A little sweet treat. It does not get better than this. Come on.
a little sweet treat. Our paint pour is freaking perfect. I like.
And we're ahead of schedule. Sheesh.
Yeah, I was like, I don't think a paint pour should take that long.
Yeah, but we do. We started talking and we started laughing and a whole lot happened.
We're joking and joshing with Mike in the Target parking lot.
Oh
my
my
God, show them your cute bag.
Oh, that too. Wait, you guys, I ducked someone today. She didn't have the camera on, L YouTuber. But I ducked someone. We bought a little decky at friggin' Michael's, and then I gave it to someone in the Dollar Tree parking lot. But that's not the holy grail of the day. It's that, but But if you guys are looking for a weekender bag at Target for $40, make sure you have your rewards. You might get it for cheaper. The Holy Grail Weekender bag is back in Target, y'all. It's back, and it's better than ever. They have a new color. There's black, white, and tan, but this one is the one. Hold on.
It's perfect. It's so perfect. It's so cute.
Hit him with the little one of these. Dude, the guy at the parking lot, or the guy who gave it to us. Wait, how did I explain that? The drop-off guy, you can do car pickup. He got 2 compliments on the way of giving it to me. Like, what?
He was like, one was a girl, one was a guy. I don't know what's going on here.
Yeah. So good. That's actually like so funny.
You guys, so this is what we have so far. Of course, we still need it to dry. We put an hour on the timer, so I will try to remember to get our very final looks when it comes to our paint pour. So exciting. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me and my sister for our lovely paint pour. This was a very spur of the moment moment. So if you had a good time, if you learned something new, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. My sister is also a Twitch streamer. You can follow her at Real Blasian Babe. I will make sure to leave all of her social media down in the description as well. Thank you, Art Deco, for such a wonderful paint pour, and we will see you guys for another video soon.
Bye.
Bye.